About success, Hazrat Ali said, success is attached with foresight and strong determination. The worth of a person is according to his courage. During circulation of time, the essence of man appears. He further said, selfishness becomes hindrance in the way of progress of perfection. Close the way of your enemy with favor because it is the best success. He directed, don't hurry up before time and never show cowardice at the exact time. The person who desires different things at a time, then his plan fails. Hazrat Ali described, don't preoccupy the sadness of past, otherwise you will deprive the preparation of future. Take advice before measurement. Hardships and worries, when reach its peak, then hope for the success. He guided us, one who becomes busy in futile loses his targets. One who chases toward his target gets comfortable destination. Remain constant so that you may get your goal. Your patience will grant you success. The sweetness of success causes to forget the bitterness of patience. Chieftainship is attained through helping others. Hazrat Ali directed to get success in the world and hereafter, never to misbehave with your parents. Hazrat Ali said, the worth of a person is hidden in his skill. The person who depends others less saves himself. The best way to revenge the enemy is to increase the personal qualities. Hazrat Ali said in his testament, keep yourself above every humility, even though it takes you toward your aim and object.